Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change name on Gmail. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Gmail, okay? And afterwards, you're going to wait out for a few moments. Go ahead and click on your account at the top right corner and click manage the Gmail account. And now what I'm going to do, you're going to see this is the home page of the account management. Just go ahead to the right and just go ahead to the personal info section, and from there you're gonna see the basic info. This is your name. Click on it, and what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just wait up, and here you're gonna see your name. Just go ahead and click the pencil kind of icon to edit it, and just from there you're gonna just change your first name. If you want to change it to something else, go ahead and do that, and you're gonna just click save, and it's gonna take some time until the new name appears on your Gmail account and on your YouTube account as well. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.